Good morning, students. As in my previous videos, I I had completed theory part of chapter 1 and 2. Now we are going to practice chapter 1 exercises. Let's revise. Exercise A. Develop the following subjects into sentences by adding suitable predicates. Come to the first sentence. Subject has given. We have to write predicate. Okay. Ajay is driving the car. Ajay is driving the car. Second is, come to the second. Your dress is so beautiful. Here, your dress is so beautiful. Your dress, that is subject, is so beautiful. Predicate. Poonam, subject has given, is Poonam your sister? Sister. My cousin. Come to the second sentence. My cousin. Subject is going to Agra. Look at other sentence. Honest pupil always speak truth. Sincere students always get reward. Pay attention, beta. Ajay is driving the car. Second, your dress is so beautiful. Third, is Poonam your sister? Fourth, my cousin is going to Agra. 5. Honest people always speak truth. 6. Sincere students always get reward. Okay, come to the next exercise. B. Point out the subjects and the objects in the following sentences. Exercise B. Exercise B. Subject Prisha. Object speech. Come to the second sentence. The farmer killed a snake in his field. Subject the farmer. Object Snack. Snake. Look at third sentence. Papa advised me to be honest and sincere in work. Here subject is Papa. Object me. Come to the sentence 4. Does God help a sincere and truthful person? Subject God. Object person. Come to the question number 5. When do you do your home assignment? Here subject is you. Object is home assignment. Got it, beta? Here are sentences. We have to find out subject and object. Prisha developed her speech very well. Subject Prisha. Object speech. Next one, the farmer killed a snake in his field. Subject the farmer. Object snake. Third one, Papa advised me to be honest and sincere in work. Subject Papa. Object me. Fourth one, does God help a sincere and truthful person? Subject God and object person. Fifth one, when do you do your homework assignments? Subject you. Object home assignments. Okay, now come to the exercise C. Encircle the object in the following sentences and point out whether they are direct or indirect. Okay. First sentence is Daniel gave his sister a surprise gift. Surprise gift. Here direct object, direct object, gift. Indirect object, his sister. Come to the second sentence. Preetham sent Shanu a check. Here indirect object, direct object, check. Or and indirect object, Shanu. She passed me the glass. Here, direct object. Glass. Indirect object. Me. Come to the fourth sentence. Did Rosa lend you her book? Direct object. Book. Indirect object. You. Come to the fifth sentence. Who will present you a gift today? Direct object. Direct object. Gift. Indirect object. You. Come to the sixth sentence. Neha and Odisha brought us many sweets on my birthday. Direct object. Direct object. Sweet. Indirect object. Indirect object. Us. Your exercise C has completed. What you noticed in this exercise? One thing is that direct object always should be a thing and indirect object should be person, okay, that receive the thing of, okay, thing that receive thing. Got it? Now come to the exercise D. Provide suitable objects to the following predicate. Provide suitable subjects to the following predicates. Okay. Exercise D. Dash is the Prime Minister of England. Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of England. Why do dash sleep away your valuable time? Why do you? Why do you sleep away your valuable time? Is your younger brother Rahul? Is Rahul your younger brother? Des looks after our business in the absence of my father. My brother. My brother looks after our business in the absence of my father. Look at sentence 5. Dash showed their anger against the government. They showed their anger against the government. Come to the sixth sentence. Des of the city have welcomed the idea of opening an amusement park. Mayor of the city have welcomed the idea of opening an amusement park. Okay, got it? Now come to the exercise E. Fill in the blanks with direct or indirect object. Okay, we have to fill direct or indirect object. Piyush promised me a gift. Come to the second sentence. Avantika. Here gift is direct object and me indirect object. Okay, come to the second sentence. Avantika sent Sunaina a bouquet. Here bouquet is direct object, Sunaina indirect object. Come to the third sentence. My father bought me many new books. New books, direct object, indirect object, me. Okay, come to the fourth sentence. Will you pass that jar? Will you pass him that jar? Jar, direct object, him, indirect object. Come to the fifth sentence. Who has presented you new dress? New dress, direct object, you, indirect object. Okay, now come to the sentence 6. Des of our school is a fantastic administrator. Principal. Here administrator is a indirect object and principal of our school is subject. Principal of our school is subject. Okay. Listen beta carefully. Don't write anything in your fair copy. You can practice all these exercises in your rough copy. That is your homework. I repeat my words. Don't write anything in your fair copy. You have to practice these exercises in your rough copy. Thank you.